Demonstrators gathered yesterday afternoon in the East Jerusalem neighborhood of Sheikh Jarrah after the Jerusalem municipality demolished part of the Shepherd Hotel earlier that day. The right wing of the hotel was demolished yesterday to make way for a new settlement for religious Jewish families. The project is planned to include 20 housing units, a 3-story parking structure, and an access road. Built in the 1930s, the Shepherd Hotel was originally owned by Jerusalem Mufti Haj Amin al-Husseini. Israel expropriated the building in 1967, shortly after its takeover and occupation of the West Bank and East Jerusalem. In 1985, Israel sold it to Irving Moskowitz, an American Jewish businessman and supporter of the ultra-right-wing religious Zionist group Ateret Kohanim. The Jerusalem municipality gave the green light to this latest settlement project in July 2009, but final permits were only issued in March of 2010. The United States and the European Union have criticized yesterday's demolition.